Hello, welcome to Math Gist. In this class, we want to find the value of s from this beautiful factorial problem. S plus 1 factorial divided by x factorial is equal to 13. Solution. S plus 1 factorial divided by s factorial is equal to 13. Now, take note of this, that if you have n factorial, this is equal to n bracket n minus 1 bracket n minus 2 to 1. Then also n factorial is equal to n bracket n minus 1 factorial. Now, the whole of this can be written as x plus 1 bracket s plus 1 minus 1 factorial over s factorial is equal to 13. Then this can be written as s plus 1 bracket s factorial over s factorial is equal to 13. Then if you look at the numerator and denominator, factorial will cancel factorial. S plus 1 is equal to 13. S is equal to 13 minus 1. Then S is equal to 12. This is the final answer. Before you leave, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.